Imagine a display so big, it doesn't just sit on your desk, it dominates your entire reality. We've seen 4K, we've seen ultra-wides, but LG just changed the game forever. This is the UltraGear Evo 52G930B, the world's largest 5K 2K gaming monitor. 52 inches of pure, unadulterated speed and AI-driven precision. Is this the ultimate one-monitor setup we've all been dreaming of, or is it just too much? Let's find out. For years, the UltraGear name meant top-tier gaming, but now LG added a new suffix, Evo. This isn't just marketing, it represents a leap beyond the physical limits of traditional 4K. At 51.6 inches, LG made a bold choice, a 21:9 aspect ratio. Why not the letterbox 32:9 like the Odyssey G9? Because LG realized we need vertical space. You're getting the height of a 42-inch 16:9 TV, but with 33% more horizontal real estate. It's massive, it's immersive, and thanks to that 1000R curve, it wraps around your field of view perfectly. Let's talk specs, because they are insane. We're looking at a 5K 2K resolution that's 5120 by 2160 pixels. At 107 ppi, text is razor sharp without needing crazy window scaling. But here's the controversial part. LG chose a VA panel over IPS or OLED for this beast. Why? Contrast. We're talking a 4,000:1 static contrast ratio. Deep blacks, no IPS glow, and enough brightness to hit VESA Display HDR 600. And for the gamers, a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate with a 1 millisecond response time. Running 5K at 240 Hz, you're going to need a monster GPU for this one. What makes this Evo is the dedicated AI processor. It optimizes images in real time, making sure every frame looks its best, whether you're color grading or in a high-stakes firefight. For professionals, this is a productivity dream. It effectively replaces a complex triple monitor setup with zero bezels to distract you. You can have your timeline, your assets, and your preview all open at once without ever feeling cramped. Gaming on this thing is transformative. The 1000R curve pulls you into the cockpit or the battlefield. With AMD FreeSync Premium, everything stays buttery smooth even when the action gets intense. It solves the age-old conflict, wanting the cinematic scale of a TV but the high refresh rate of a gaming monitor. You get both here. So, who is the LG UltraGear Evo 52G930B? It's for the power user who refuses to compromise. It's for the gamer who wants the biggest, baddest window into their digital worlds. It's not just a big screen, it's a statement of where display technology is headed. Expected to hit shelves around Q2 2026. Is this your next dream monitor? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep tech dives. See you in the next one.